Hi, readers. Welcome back to Reading Workshop. I was wondering, have you ever heard the word curmudgeon? A curmudgeon is a really cranky person, the grumpiest of the grumpy. This would be the person that I'd be too scared to push their doorbell to trick or treat or sell cookies because they would answer the door and chase me off of their porches, telling me to never ring their doorbell again. Readers, today I want to teach you that readers choose their relationship towards reading. Readers can decide whether they want to read books like a curmudgeon or if they want to choose to read books as if they are gold. Let me show you what it's like to read like a curmudgeon. Ugh. Indian shoes. I read a book about a boy who also needed some shoes. I don't want to read another book like this. Let's see. There's like 5 chapters, 6 chapters. Ugh, this is gonna be so boring. I guess I'll start at the beginning. Ray and Grandpa Half Moon traipse down the cracked sidewalk of a steel and stone city. What am I? Readers, do you see how I was reading like a curmudgeon? You might be thinking, wow, she was already thinking about this book before she even started reading it, and she was comparing it to another book and didn't even give the book a chance. She was slouched over. She didn't seem excited to be reading at all. It felt like she didn't care to be reading this book. Readers, watch me as I try to read this book as if it were gold. Indian shoes. Wow, you know what? I read another book about a boy in a pair of shoes. I wonder if it's similar. Let's see. It says he prefers high tops, but he'll gladly trade his shoes for a nice pair of moccasins for his grandpa. Wow, so it seems like at least some of the story might be about a pair of shoes. Maybe he'll go through some things like the character in the other book that I read. Wow, let me take a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 chapters. I'm noticing one chapter has the same name as the title of the book, and it starts with that right away. Let's get started. Let me think here. Indian shoes. Ray and Grandpa Half Moon traipse down the cracked sidewalk of a steel and stone city. Wow, I wonder what that means. Ray tracked Grandpa's steps, danced to the rat-a-tat-a-clang of a trash can band, and skipped beneath the ruffling branches. Now, readers, you might be noticing a difference in me reading as if the book is gold. I'm excited to read the book. I'm making connections to other books that I've read, and I'm approaching the text with excitement. Readers, part of building a powerful reading life includes reading books as if they are gold. So far, we've thought about finding the perfect reading spot, how we can talk about books with others, and choosing books that we truly love. Now, in order to make reading the best it can be, we can also be reading books like they're gold, approaching books with excitement and interest, not like a curmudgeon. So today, readers, let's set up a work plan. You might find your reading spot that you love. You might even decide to try a different reading spot today. You might decide to talk about your books with a partner. A partner could be somebody at home, a caregiver, a sibling, a pet, a stuffed animal. And you might want to try to find books that you love. These books could be books that you have at home already or books in a virtual book bag. And now, when we set out to read those books, we're going to set out to read them like they're gold. Have fun reading.